See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got my picky edit in your face, but you know, we ain't gonna talk about that. It's hair day. This is my first time doing tribal braids. I've done Fulani braids before, but I actually really enjoyed doing these braids. I'm gonna do loads of different types of styles of tribal braids, so stay tuned for that. So to start off, I'm just sectioning off the front section of my hair. So this front bit is going to be our design bit, and then the back bit is just going to be some basic box braids. Before styling, please don't forget to put in any sort of grease, leave-in conditioner, whatever you use. I'm just using a little Cantu leave-in conditioner. Right, nobody come for me for the angles that I recorded in, okay, because I show you after. But anyways, I'm just doing the basic like diagonal part in. I'm going to show you guys now. I'm going to show you. Okay, so you get it. Diagonal part in, basically I started from my edges. Sorry I didn't record this bit, like I didn't know how much cane rows I actually wanted, so I kind of went in the mirror, had a little think, but anyways, I sectioned off the first part in. So I did this part in just slightly going into my edges, if you can see what I mean there. So it doesn't go up a lot, but literally like half a centimetre to a centimetre into my edges. And that's my first cane row. So basically just mimicking the plait size next to it. I've just sectioned off the next part in, and I'm going to start plaiting, and I'm going to keep going because, you know, I'm just doing some cane rows. And what about it? Ooh, important side note. I don't know if I mentioned or if it was kind of like a given, but of course I did use braiding hair, like the feed-in technique. So I start off my braid as usual, just with my hair, and then as you can see, as the cane row gets more down into it, I then start adding more pieces of the braiding hair. If you do want to see a more in-depth video of how I actually do my feed-in braids, I do have a video on my channel. I will link it somewhere in the description for you guys. If you want to give that video a watch after this video, of course. Don't forget to finish watching this video, then go check out my other ones. Alright guys? Is it just me, or watching hair videos, especially braiding videos, they are just so satisfying. The most satisfying things to watch ever. Us braiders, we be making some weird faces though. Like there's one thing getting your hair done and making the faces, and then it's doing your hair and making the faces. It's just so funny. It's the funniest thing to me ever.
overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. So
Right, who else when doing this be feeling themselves after they've done a section of their hair? Because if you do hair and you say that you don't do this, you're lying. I swear you're lying. After every single section, you gotta check yourself out, see how good you look, and you know you'd be looking good, and you're just like, oh my god, I can't wait till this finished. It just already looks good, period. So with that being said, we moving on to the next section, baby. We moving on. Also, I don't think I showed you guys, but the gel that I was just using, like basically towards the front, just to make sure I really grip up all those bits of hair and like separate my edges from the hair and just make sure I get really nice clean part-ins. I do use beeswax. I don't think I even showed it, but you can kind of see it in the background there. It's that yellow thing. I've showed it to you guys before. I love a bit of beeswax. It's so good for part-ins and just getting all those small little flyaway hairs. Defo recommend. Guys, I have a serious question. How far into doing your hair does it take for your arms to ache? Because I don't know if you guys noticed, but look at my face. Ain't impressed. It's hurting, okay? My arms ache. It aches, hun. Can't do this anymore. So let me know in the comments what point your arms, hands start aching. Mine is usually around the halfway mark, like just before I'm halfway done. It's stupid at this point. I need to go gym or something because this ain't it. Ooh, halfway. Ooh, base done. Ooh, girl, yes. Right, let's do the box braids. So I have obviously done like the majority of my hair because, you know, it's box braids. I have a box braids tutorial that I done when I done the skunk stripe in there, if you do want to see, or if you want an updated version of how I do my box braids, just let me know, okay? But if not, I will link that other video for you so you can have a look after this video, of course. This hairstyle was going to be one anyways, but just to add a little something to it, I've just added the blonde braiding hair to just the first row of my box braids at the back, okay? Just a little something subtle. end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It's actually like, hold on a second. It's actually been like, it's been about a week. I was just editing this video and I realized I even close it out. If you guys enjoyed and you like this hairstyle, let me know in the comments. Let me know what hairstyle you want to see me do next. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe because it really helps me out. I am a growing channel, so you know.